Back in the day when I lost my job, my boss didn't know that I was making more money from my side hustle, $248 than working as a chemical engineer. And I remember that day, and I was happy that I started affiliate marketing a couple years ago, because when I had a 9 to 5 job, I was looking for ways to make money online from home using a laptop, a cell phone, and a Wi-Fi connection, because I didn't want to rely on only one source of income. And the thing is that when I started, I failed. I failed a lot, but I took a decision. It doesn't matter how much time it will take me to succeed. Because if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to put in the work, time, and effort. And affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. So I don't need to create a product. I don't need to buy inventory or ship anything. I just need to focus on how to market the product. And the cool thing is that there are many companies that have an affiliate program. For example, Amazon, eBay, or Target. Now, let me show you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online. Check this out. I drive traffic to this opt-in page, which has a title, information here, and a picture. And I'm telling people that if they subscribe by clicking this button, I'm going to send to them this ebook, The 7 Steps to Becoming a Super Affiliate. The software I use to build my opt-in pages is ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is going to send that information to this software. The name is GetResponse. And GetResponse is going to send these emails automatically that I wrote to my email list. And inside of the emails, people are going to find valuable information and my affiliate links. And if someone buys through my affiliate link, I can earn a commission. That's why one of the most important things as an affiliate marketer is to build the email list. So you can grow your own audience and people know, like, and trust you, because you are helping them by giving valuable information. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.